So I was hoping to show some more of the Scythe as it was, but I kind of broke it. So yeah, but a lot of people say you need a handle on like this one before I put the handle on, and the short one now, and yeah, it helps, but I think you don't need it. And I know you don't need it because people have been using them for a long time, and a lot of times without any handles at all, just the plain snath, simple. So put that over there. And I found out for a while I've had my hafting angle too far down, or too far up. So that's what was causing me a lot of trouble. Having it down pretty much helps, and now that I use it without the handles, it makes a big difference. I was testing it out already, and I kind of knew it since I've been using all the snaths. Since I've dropped it down, it makes a big difference. So works almost better. Very solid. Quick check. Still good. And it's the motion mainly, and your setup. You don't need handles. This proves it. No way that lawnmower would have done anything like this. I almost prefer it without the handles. Holy cow. This thing's a beast. I feel like scooping this out real quick before I end the video. See how I do. This is also really bad ground. It's got holes and hills, and it's worse than the other side that I did the competition, more of a test. All right, let's get it. Oh, some old stuff. Still good? Bit of a snag, literally. Okay, yeah, I can't scythe that. Woo. Okay. Perfect for hugelkultur. Oh man. Alright. See if we can continue. Oh man. Well, stuck. Alright. She couldn't have done anything to the blade, it just hit the very tip and stuck. There. Too easy when you get in the tender stuff. I think I've gone off camera, about lost my now that I know this works so well, and it had a lot to do with this angle, I'm gonna make another one like I did the other. So it's not like this attachment, it's just a solid ring. And I hope that works better. No, this wedge doesn't help. I gotta fix that wedge. It's not the right shape. So that could fix this completely. But I always like building a new one. This one works so well. I just need to tighten it up and it'll work great again. And I don't need a handle. It's good to know this thing works so well and it doesn't need the handle. Hope you enjoyed. Especially since I don't really need to mow this. This isn't part of the yard, but I've been getting bored and, well, not bored, but I really like this. I really Really enjoy using the Scythe, and I'm learning how to get this right, and the angles, and how to make it stronger, whatever I need to do. But it really doesn't need to be that strong. I abuse it. So, oh, and thank you for all the likes and subscribes and everything. Appreciate it. And yeah, again, hope you enjoy.